Hello and welcome to our custom pay types video series. This video is going to show you how to create a custom pay type for when your employee wants to purchase, let's say, their old work cell phone. So how would you set this up? Well, it's actually quite easy. That is a custom pay type after tax deduction. So I have Noah's timesheet up here, and I need to add this purchase to his timesheet. So I go into Employees, Pay Types, which is where we create our custom pay types. Right, so in the Pay Types tab, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the non-taxable pay types. And in the name, I'm going to put what he purchased. So I'm putting cell phone purchase. Right. And the rate is negative, so -1, because this is a deduction from his pay. Our unit is per unit save. Right, so now your deduction pay type has been set up. I return to his timesheet. I need to add a new row to the timesheet by clicking this plus button. And in my select a pay type, I'm going to go find cell phone purchase. There we go. And as easy as that. Now you just enter the amount that he's agreed to pay for this old work phone, and let's say it was $150. Update and save. So you will see now in his pay summary, there is a new line for after tax deductions. So this is taken out of his take-home pay, and there's the $150 in there. Let's take a look at what his pay slip says. Right, on Noah's payslip, there it says cell phone purchase and the amount that he's agreed to pay for it. So it's also like a proof of purchase for him, so that he can see exactly what he's paid for his old cell phone. Right, that's as easy as that. See you in the next video. Bye.